Hello everyone. So coming to you today because, well, we're camping on the beach with other retirees and party goers here on the weekend. But I thought it was pretty funny that we were asked if we hit the lotto. And being that we are living this retired life at this young age, being able to camp beside other people that are in their 60s and 70s, it just doesn't make sense to some. But I wanted to tell you that, well, one, no, we didn't hit the lotto, and nor are we lucky, right? This was all planned. This is part of the life that we've chosen to do. And I want to say that because you get to choose the life you want to live as well. Whatever that may be. It could be an RV type of lifestyle, but it may be 2.5 kids and a white picket fence. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter to me at all. I don't care as long as you're doing it on purpose. And the biggest way to do that is to be in control of your money. Living on less than you make and paying cash for things, even if they cost you $62,000. Yeah, that's how much the RV was. It's not to brag, it's to say it was done on purpose. I didn't know I was gonna make this purchase when I started saving 10, 15 years ago. But I had the money set aside for an opportunity, and that's what you can do as well. So whatever you choose, just choose to be on purpose. Have a beautiful day.